7 p.m., phone still ringing, inbox still full. This used to be every Tuesday. Missed calls, no shows nobody reminded, reviews unanswered, your front desk drowning, your therapist playing receptionist. In mental health, every missed call could be someone in crisis. What if the work just handled itself? GoStop's AI answers your phones, books intakes, screens for crisis 24/7. Your website chatbot handles insurance questions and books consults automatically. Review requests go out after every appointment. SEO pulls local search traffic to your door. Smart workflows send intake paperwork, reminders, and follow-ups without you lifting a finger. Practices using AI front desk recover 30% of missed call revenue. HIPAA aware, built for behavioral health. One subscription, voice chat reviews, website, and automation. 5 p.m. lights off, your practice keeps working. Run your practice on autopilot. GoStops.ai. Book your free 15-minute strategy call.